you're going to learn something wildly important. It's foundational to your understanding of SEO, and I really want you to get. So if you need to, watch this video a couple times. Also, bring any questions to the next live, because this is foundational into organic search and getting more clients from Google. All right, let's get into it. So I want you to understand how Google thinks about search. A couple of years ago, Google released this video where they clearly defined how they think about search, and I took a lot out of it, and I want you to too. Okay, so Google's definition of search is when there are millions and millions and millions of people searching in hundreds of languages, and they expect a good, the best answer back in less than a second. It's massive. It's massive. So Google has to understand all of the queries and the intent of what people are looking for, while at the same time understanding the whole internet. That obviously changes every day. There's millions of pages added every day. So Google has to understand the internet and figure out what the best web page is for all of the searches over here, so that they can match the best website to all of the queries. And that is search. So our job as business owners, content creators, bloggers, YouTubers, podcasters is to make our site as easy to understand who we are, what we do, and how we want to be found by Google. If we can tell Google quickly and easily and efficiently all of those things, they will match us to the 8.5 billion people that are searching every day. I know that people are looking for your products and services. They're looking for you, but they don't know that you exist. So our job is to make it easy for Google to understand, so Google can match you to all of these searches. And if we can do that well, we are going to grab a bigger piece of that 8.5 billion person pie that is looking for who we are and what we do. And that is the SEO 101. That's the foundation that we're going to figure out in the search party.